Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. If there's someone who you think might enjoy my content, it would mean the world to me if you would share my channel with them. And let's go ahead and get started on today's video. Whew, you guys, that was a long intro. So today's video, I am going to be using the Haunted palette by Gourmande Girls. Oh, this is also a Doodles by the Bunny. So Doodles by the Bunny and Gourmande Girls. And here is the inside of this palette. Obviously, this isn't a new palette, but Gourmande Girls had a big sale. And I have the Nightshade palette, and I feel like this one would go really well with it. Unfortunately, I used the Nightshade palette. Not unfortunately, but I just used it a couple days ago, so it's in the other room, so I don't have it right now to show you. But I love that one. And my husband was like, you did like a mermaid eye look. And I was like, I did, you know, because it was like green and purple and just so pretty and shimmery. And I was like, you know what? I just, because I just ordered the Haunted palette, and I was like, I'm gonna film with it. I miss doing just really fun, colorful looks. It just feels like I haven't been doing them as much lately. So I was like, you know what? That's what we're gonna do. So here we are. And let's go ahead and let's get started. I'll try and do two different looks, one more green, one more purple, but kind of combine those shades as well. So let's just, you know how it is. Sometimes I say things and something else happens. So let's just go ahead and let's get started. Let's start with, I am really wanting to start with this purple shade right here. It is Bewitched. It is just really, really pretty. And I want to start with that shade. Alright, you guys, I swear the birds were chirping and now they stopped. Which is weird because they're usually chirping the whole time I'm filming, so I'm not sure. Oh, before I started filming, there was a helicopter that flew over and it was pretty low, like it made my table shake that's right in front of me, so maybe that's why the birds are not chirping, which is really sad because to me, that's just so relaxing, and I love hearing them chirp. If you're new here and you have no idea what I'm talking about, go watch a couple of my past videos, because you can just hear the birds outside chirping. My camera picks up every little thing. I thought I heard one. There we go. Okay, that was another helicopter. That was just a car going by. I was like, wait a second. What is going on? I probably don't even want to know. Alright, so that shade, beautiful, beautiful. Now let's go in with the shade... Let's go with the shade Scare, which is the shade right next to it, right there. Just to kind of deepen things up just a little bit. There we go. Now you can hear the birds. They're really going now. Alright, so I love what we're working with right now. I can't wait to dip into some of these shimmers. Like, they are just so good. So, gonna go ahead and put some glitter glue down, and we are just gonna go in with some shimmer. Alright. I think for this side, we're gonna do like, let's do a purple shade, and then, or no, let's do a green shade with a little touch of purple in the middle. And the other eye will do mostly green with purple shimmer with a touch of green in the middle. Let's do that. Let's see how that looks. I want to go in with, let's see, so we're gonna do green. Let's do... Let's do Eerie, because that just looks like such a pretty green right there. Okay, that's pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right. That is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I'm just loving it. I just love greens and purples together. That is really, really pretty. All right, now we're gonna take one of these really pretty purplish shades, and I'm just gonna put that in the center of the eye. The question is though, which one? Because like all these are just absolutely gorgeous. You can't make a wrong choice. I think I'm gonna go in with Jinxed, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna kind of put that on my finger and just put that in the center of the eye. And it's just giving like the coolest blue-green shade. That looks really, really cool. I like that a lot. That's a really, really pretty shade. All right, I absolutely love this. Now let's go ahead and for the lower lash line, I'm just gonna do something simple. So pretty. I just love shimmer shades. All right, let's go with, let's just use the shade Supernatural, which is that shade right there. And then for that lower inner corner shade, because you know we have to have one, where there's a chance to add more shimmer and sparkle, we must do it. Let's go with the shade Ghostly, which is that shade right there. So pretty. Very, very pretty. Very fun. Now let's go to the other eye. And let's start with, so this is going to be, we're going to do some more green mattes and then purple shimmers. So let's start with the shade, why can I not read this? Horrify, right here. This is such a good grungy green. Very cool, very cool. Love, love that. Now we are going to go in with let's go in with the shade Curst, which is that green right there. Now, I'm going to take a purple shimmer and put it all over the lid and then put a little green in the center. And we're going to start with the shade Apparition right here. It's kind of like a blue-purple shimmer. Okay, now it's kind of throwing more green. But it's really, really pretty. I might, okay, let's go in a little bit with the shade Ghostly to kind of blend that in with it. Just a smidge. So Ghostly, we're gonna put a little bit of that on top of it just to get a little bit more of a purple shade. Okay, these look really, really cool together. That is so cool. That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Again, this is why indie brands are so amazing. You couldn't get something like this from just a regular brand, or even, I'm gonna say it, even like a high-end brand. Like indie brands are just so much better. They just do things other brands can't do. They really, really do. All right, that is so pretty. So, so pretty. And then for the center of the eye, we are going to take this shade Unearthly right here, that really, really pretty green, and just put it in the center of the eye. Oh, that's cool. Can you see that? I hope that's showing up well for you guys because that is just awesome. Just beautiful, amazing, so pretty. Love, love that so much. Okay, now for the lower lash line, I think we're just gonna take that same shade Supernatural. So that's this one right here. I'm just gonna put that on the lower lash line. And then for the lower inner corner highlight, I'm going to take that, the shade Unearthly, and that's going to be our lower inner corner highlight. Alright, I'm gonna go do mascara. I don't think I have, maybe just the teensy tiniest little bit of fallout, so I'll clean that up, do my mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I am back, and these are the finished looks. And beautiful, colorful, fun. I'm just loving this look. I feel like I've definitely been missing more fun, colorful looks in my life, and this was definitely what I needed. And this was the Doodles by the Bunny and Gourmande Girls Haunted palette. Again, not a new palette, but they just had a big sale, and this is one that I've had my eye on, so I did pick it up. Absolutely beautiful. The Gourmande Girls formula is fantastic. I love their color stories. There are a few more of their palettes I would love to pick up, but you know, I just really need to be careful with money right now. Money's a little tight. There's just a lot of things going on in my personal life, and I kind of touched on it on the video I filmed yesterday, but things are going to be a little hectic for a while, so definitely going to be, you know, picking things up on sale. Probably not getting new releases as much as I would like to, but that's okay. I hope you all will still continue to support me and my channel. Just thank you so much for all the love that you have shown me. I never in a million years thought I would ever reach like 100 subscribers, and then it was 200, 300, 400. We are at, I think, 558 right now. I'm kind of starting that gain one, lose tooth trend again, which really stresses me out. I don't like, but the fact that I've even made it this far is just all thank you to you watching this video right now. So thank you so much. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you're a Gourmande Girls fan, or any of their palettes that you've tried that you've loved, or any that you want to try. Do you like the looks that I created? Just kind of let me know all the things down below. I would love to hear them, and just have a, remember that you're beautiful and you are loved. You're amazing. If you don't mind, share my content. If there's someone that you think would enjoy it, that would mean the world to me. And just have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.